Whoa, experience exploring Jurassic Park at night in a new way. Hi Lucas, let's ride or die, baby.
Wait, what does survival mode activated mean?
Don't worry, let's go. Get on the boat, Lucas.
I come here.
It's great.
Yeah. Oh, what is that?
A super giant sloping belt conveyor. The best part of Jurassic Park is here. Let's play. How to build the Jurassic Park's Ride Challenge.
Step 1. Install water pump case.
Step 2. Install conveyor. Step 3. Testing water pump works.
Step 4. Update water pump.
Step 5. Decor the Jurassic Park.
You have been taught a lie.
Hey, just start driving on the conveyor belt. Hold on tight, it feels like a roller coaster. Yeah! We have successfully conquered this Jurassic Park's Ride Challenge.
Hey Max. I have a bad feeling. Oh no, a giant T-Rex.
Run quickly.
This isn't part of the ride.
But I really like it. Play again?
Oh yes.
The park's opening soon. We need something exciting to attract kids.
What do you think about a giant Ferris wheel?
That's a great idea, Tom. We can build the Ferris wheel right on that empty lot up front.
Good thing I already sketched a Ferris wheel design.
Great minds.
Let's build this giant Ferris wheel.
We've got the parts.
All right, Tom. Let's get everything into position.
Make sure to follow the blueprint exactly. Every piece matters.
Coming through. Got everything we need to start building.
Let's build the tallest Ferris wheel this park has ever seen. Push, push harder. This gear is the heart of it all. This gear goes right here. Perfect fit.
One cabin done. Just a few more to go.
Hey, Lisa. Want to take care of the last few bolts?
I'll take care of those bolts in no time.
Everything's tight. Ready for a test spin.
Teamwork for the win.
How to build the Ferris wheel? Step 1. Build the base platform. Step 2. Build the support structure. Step 3. Build the main frame. Step 4. Build the cabins. Step 5. Build the drive system.
Wow, this park has a giant Ferris wheel. It looks amazing.
Grand opening. Let's welcome the fun.
Welcome to the park.
Let's have some fun. Here you go. Enjoy the ride.
Yay, I can't wait to ride.
All set. Every cabin is safe and secure. Please form a line. Everyone will get their turn.
All right, everyone. We're starting the ride now.
Wow, that thing really spins high.
I want to try that next.
This is the best ride ever. Wow, how did they even build that?
Everything looks great. That was so worth it. We really built something amazing together.
Woo, flat, cannonball.
Welcome to the heart of the park, my turbo water blaster.
Flash zone.
This baby powers the whole park. It works out a perfect loop. Good job, buddy. Still running like a dream.
This is the best slide ever. Splash zone activated.
Row, go blue bow too.
Without this pump, the park's just colorful plastic and awkward silence. All right, stay cool, buddy. I got a park to check. How to build the water pump tower.
Install the impeller. Install the pipe. Install the gears. Add an engine. Install the case. Install flow channels. Assemble. Connect the water pipe.
Yoo-hoo! My tri-flow pump is running.
Pretty crowded today. Let's see how the fun's flowing out there.
Come on, we've got to finish first.
Woohoo! Whoa, this slide is epic.
One last check. Time to call it a day. Phew. Still soaked, but worth it. Huh? Seriously, that was my only dry towel. Oh. Why is it always something? Unbelievable. My towel just clogged the main intake.
Why isn't the water flowing?
Where'd the water go? Did someone forget to pay the water bill?
So much for an early day. Wait, I sabotaged my own pump. All right, water. Guess I'll just let you stay.
Oh, yeah!
Phew, not risking another towel incident.
Yeah, water's back.
No early closing today.
Let's get back to racing. Roll like the wind.
Well, since that was refreshing, time to relax. Now this is what I call a perfect ending. See you next time.